everybody, and today's video I'll be talking about Boss Wireless TWS-5 Bluetooth headphone. So this is the original packaging it came in with. This is pretty cool package. One of the coolest feature I found on the back of the box, it says that it's twisted lock, never falls out, durable build, sweat proof, sound, pure bass performance, 3-button mic, universal control, and one of the coolest feature I like and I'm looking forward to is 8 hours battery power, and obviously it's a wireless. Let's check this headphones out. Let's open the box. So it came with one of the charging cables, so you can charge your phone, charge your headphones. Came to the manual. Half of the side is in Chinese, so there's no point, and the other side is English that talks about how you can actually connect your headset to your phone. Let's check this headphones out. So this is the original. This is the box it came with. It looks pretty solid. At the back it talks about wireless earbud charging box, input and output, input power, and obviously it says made in China. It's a pretty cool box. So let's open this out. So that's how it looks like. So it has a button at the middle. That's, I think, when you press it, it will start charging your phone, charging your headset. You can see this red lights, and this LEDs here shows the actual charging of the box, so you can portably charge your handset when you go outside. So these, let's take it out. That's a pretty solid there, solid magnet in both of the handset there. So let's start. Let's put this here. So this is the actual headset itself. It here the red and blue means it's about, you can pair it right now. It comes with 2 earbuds here, and these here talks about which one is right, what's left, and these 2 points are for your charging. Let's connect this Bluetooth to the phone. So let's go to the Bluetooth setting and scan it again. Just make sure this blue and red light is blinking on the actual handset, so that means it's ready to pair. Let me go and scan it. So the name of the Bluetooth I found here, it's MG-TWS. Now it says you're connected for call and media control. Let's play one of the coolest feature I'll show you guys here. Let's go on YouTube. Suppose I'm playing this Drake song. I love Drake. So here, if suppose it's playing a song here, like I'm not even wearing this handset right now, I can actually hear the, like, it's pretty loud. So even when you tap on the top of the handset, it will actually pause the song or pause the video, whatever you're listening, even it's audio or video. Tap it again, it will restart the video again. So it's same thing. Even when you receive a call, you can just tap it like this, it will receive the call, and tap it back, it will hang up the phone. So let's talk about the charging of these headsets Bluetooth. So it took me around 10 minutes to actually charge this box, and with this box and with these LEDs, so this LED here tells you what's the percentage of the charging in the box. This one takes regular USB. The USB one goes into a Samsung, or you can just use one of those that came with the box. Just plug it in here, and you can see this LED flashing. That means it's charging. Once all the 4 LEDs light up, that means it's fully charged. And when you open the box, there's a button here. So once you press this button will tell you when the charging is started to charge your headset. So once you press this, you can see these 2 LED lights, red LED on the top of the headset. That means your headset is started to charge. So just close it and put in your purse, wallet, or pocket, and carry it with you. It's pretty convenient if you wanna carry it outside. Once I fully charge this, and it says on the box the charging will go more than 8 hours, but I actually doubt it. It will most likely go till 4 to 5 hours. I still have to try that. So let's talk about the pricing of this Boss. This is not the actual Boss original headset. This is a Chinese version of that, like a replica or duplicate of what actually Boss. This is a good. I got this online for like product $45. It's not bad actually. Seen the with respect to the price, because the Boss original headphone costs you like a fortune. Let's check it out. What's next was there. So that's it in the box. I guess that's all it came with. So I'm gonna start using this and let's see how this one performs. But it seems like, with the feature, and I read some online stuff, it's pretty good. I guess I have covered all the good feature of this headset and cover all the functionality of this headset. I hope you guys like this video, and make sure to subscribe to my channel for tech related videos in future. Thank you. Bye bye.